Hey guys, Bryan with Vapor Honing Technologies here. Today we're going to be wet blasting this pulley with 120 aluminum oxide. It's very rusty, it's very mucky, and the beautiful thing about the wet blasting process, actually we do have our corrosion inhibitor in this unit at the moment, and what that's going to do, it's not only going to help cure this particular application, but it's going to prevent it for also rusting for any future potential rusting that may happen within this pulley right here. But let's go ahead and get this tested out. We're going to be masking off about half of this to show you guys a comparison, but let's see how she turns out. Guys, all I can say is, are you serious? I mean, look at the finish on this. This is completely day and night. We took off all the rust within less than a minute. We treated this whole entire portion right here. But look at the opposite side, just for comparison, guys. I mean, the rust that still remained, we took care of that situation within 1 minute. Not only that, we cured it for any future rusting to happen with our corrosion inhibitor. This is something that I am truly proud of because this is a revolutionary process. But guys, look at the day and night comparison for yourself. Again, we have a whole team that's available to support you guys 24/7 around the clock at 828-202-5563.